This is way better. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another Jimny adventure. And I see you guys eyeballing those tires over there, those nice rims, and thinking, God dang it, Smokey, put on the goddamn tires and wheels, put them on, put them on. Not just yet. I still have to do a top speed test, and I do not want to test top speed with the off-road tires, so yeah. As you guys know, I love this Jimny to bits, but of course there are little things I would like to change. For instance, when I'm driving like this, having a lot of fun, I can put my arm on the left side. Should have been flat so I could a little bit more comfy, but there is this. Yeah. And like, I'm an armrest guy. Not gonna lie, when I'm shifting gears, it's not a problem. But when I'm not shifting gears, I have no use for this arm, so I want, thank God, for armrests modifications. And here we have it. Bought this at Jimnystyle yet again. Totally robbing these guys' place, robbing their website. We get, what the hell? Lol. It says crocodile in the back. You see that? You probably can't see that, but it says crocodile for some reason. Anyway, so this is the armrest modification. This is some fine leather, some fine Chinese, Japanese leather. Leather. So the leather and quality, decent. This is some tomato garlic hummus with some bread crackers. I mean, this is just so lovely. So to get the upholstery of the seat, you just yank this one down and pull it outwards, like that. This bracket onto here, somewhere like that. So this is the part where it got a little bit messy. First thing you do, take your hammer and hit the spring towards the seat so it jumps out of its socket right here. Attach the two nuts for that part, and when the two nuts are in place, just this little hooky, this little thingy over here, just pull it open a little bit, get the spring loaded, and just yank it behind it again, and that's all. Next thing we're going to do is take the knife that was in the box also and just cut. I would cut like in the middle, find out where your hole needs to be, and then we're going to have to make a hole in the foam. And then it should be looking something like that. That's the part I really hate. Cutting up my original upholstery. Gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Wasn't that bad. Now this is luxury. So if you're driving like a really maniac, flip it up, do all the things you want to do, and when cruising down the highway or another road, yep, pull it down. The only thing I still need to do is make sure these this little screw over there is tightened all up, so it doesn't move as hard as it does now anymore. And look at that extra storage. Oh yeah. This is way better. First option you need to get if you buy a Jimny the armrest. But the only issue is that my second cup holder, yeah, it's accessible, so it's not that big of a deal, but it's not going to fit those big McDonald's bottles. It is firm enough for my arm and smooth leather.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Yet another day, yet another Suzuki Jimny video. The armrest is in. I'm going to leave you guys for this time. Really sorry about that. Gotta make some other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.